Hi guys, today I will be unpacking and testing this twin pack glue gun by CraftersChoice. So you can see there is a red and blue, so they are different. So the red one is for high temperature application, so this is for general projects, and the blue is for low temperature for more sensitive projects. Okay, and also they use different glue sticks. So there is a frosted and clear. The frosted one is for low temperature, and the clear one is for high temperature. So I open this now. So probably I need to cut. Try to cut some more. Oh, I don't think I need to cut this. I can just no, probably that one is better. Then and let's take it out. Some more cutting. Yep. Now I got the red and the blue. Also, it comes with some documentation, some warning documentation, glue gun instruction manual. Then there's some free glue sticks. So 4 glue sticks. You can see 2 clear and 2 frosted. So the clear one goes to the red one, and the frosted goes to the blue. Okay, I'll try to connect this to the power and try to set the glue. So normally this one is inserted here. Yeah, just press it in. Then also the frosted one, just press it in. Okay, let's try. I will try it here, the piece of wood. I just remove this cable tie. So I'll try first the high temperature. Connect to power. Connected to the power. So you can see there's a stand here. Probably the stand goes like this. So wait for a few seconds probably. So it should warm up. So when probably should be like this when you're using it. So if you want to use it as a stand like this, okay, takes a while. Now it's can see it is melting. So just leave it like that. So most of the part is already inside. So just do something like this and disconnect. Okay, now I'm finished with that one. Then I'll try the other one, the low temperature one. Connect this now to power. Then wait for a few minutes. By the way, now it is cooling down. I want to check this thing, so it's really hard. Okay, it's sticky. Oh, now I was able to remove it. About the other thing, so I'll try the other one. It's for low temperature. Just push it more. Still not melting. Okay, after a few minutes, I think this one is working now. So you can see the end tip. But this is a low temp one, so not really melting that much. Unlike the high temp one, this melt right away. Still going down. I think that's it. Okay, just disconnect this one. Okay, so just put it on the stand. So here is the melted glue. Wait a minute. This is from the hot. And this is with a low temperature. So it's not really sticky compared to the high temperature one. So that's it. These are the twin pack hot glue from Crafter's Choice. Thank you for watching.